Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Google Forms to schedule appointments. Google Forms is a free and easy way to let people schedule appointments, meetings, consultations, or interviews without needing expensive booking software. You can collect their details and manage responses efficiently using Google Sheets. Now in this tutorial, I'll show you how to do that in just a few simple steps. So let's follow these few simple steps together. First step is to open Google Forms and create a new form. And you can do that by going to Google Forms, by going to forms.google.com, or go to workspace.google.com/product/forms and log into your Google account using your account credentials. Once you log in, you'll be directed to your Google Form dashboard, like this one right here. Click on blank form and give it a title like appointment booking form. Let's give it a title. Now in the title form, give it a title like appointment this is the title. Now the second step is you can add appointment details in the description. You can explain in this description, you can explain the available time slots, duration, and any important details. As for the third step, you can add required fields for scheduling. For example, you can add click on add question and then ask for the full name, the email address, the phone number, and select appointment date and time and reason for appointment. Now for the fourth step is to use the multiple choice grid for time slots. And you can create a multiple choice grid where users can select a preferred time slot, like this one right here. For users to select preferred time slots, for example Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, column 9 a.m., 10 a.m., 11 a.m. And you can also go to settings and then go to response, go to settings and then go to response, and here you can limit one person to prevent double booking. The fifth step is to enable notification and response collection, and you can do that by going to settings and then go to responses again and then enable collect email addresses and send the respondents a copy of their response. You can toggle this one off by clicking on verified and toggle this one always on, etc. Sixth step is to link to Google Calendar. Now after booking, manually check responses and send Google Calendar invites, or you can use Google Forms plus Google Sheets plus Google Calendar add-ons for automations. The seventh and final step is to share the form, and you can do that by clicking on publish, then click on the share button on the top right corner and change the restriction from restricted to anyone with the link, and copy the responder's link, and just like that the link for the form is copied on your clipboard. You can share it via link, via email, website, or social media. And that's it for today's tutorial. Now you can schedule appointments easily. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.